just a little behind the scenes. So we get these, which is the PCK4, which does not have any RCAs or speaker wire. There's all the other stuff. So I got to take those out of the box. And we stage them out here on the kitchen table. Thanks to Angie. And then we stuff them in this box. So these boxes come empty, mostly. So, and then they have the RCAs. I never showed these to you guys. These are really premium RCAs. These are really nice. Not really a fan of these because they're kind of grabby, but these look really, really nice. And then this is copper speaker wire. And then I guess it comes with some sort of speaker connectors. They threw them in. I was like, okay. But it's basically, it just has more than most kits out there on the market. So I think it comes with a couple of different A&L fuses, and Larry took my, it's a little small, but Larry took my advice in getting a ground lug on there. I'm like, yeah, you gotta add that shit too, man. People need that. So, and then pure copper, 4 gauge in this kit. I'm not sure why they went with the clear remote wire, but personally I think it should have been blue to kind of highlight, you know, Recoil is their brand is blue. So, but we shove them all in here, just like this. Now, on some of these kits, they come with a plastic insert mold. Where's the fuse holder? Oh, there it is. So, and the fuse holder sits in there and all that kind of stuff. But when we're repacking these, they didn't come with a new plastic thing, and we just have to make do. So. But basically we close it up, and then I put stickers on it to seal it up so that one gets here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and if you get those, it's been touched by my grubby hands and Gooby's hands too. So, but yeah, these are available on Amazon. This finished kit is called the PCK4. And you'll find it to be a high value, especially when compared to other kits. And then, of course, you can get it from me cheaper. I think this one goes for 65 or 70. I can't remember. Of course, you get about $5 off, and then maybe I can give you some extra fuses or some sort of certain value if you need something or whatever. I also have the distribution blocks for really cheap. Again, less than the website price, and of course less than the Amazon price. So just wanted to show you guys that. I'm going to be doing this for another hour or so, and then Laura should be over to help me with stuff in the warehouse, and then I'll be packing orders today. So, but today is Thursday. Look for the deals I'm going to post on OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace. If you guys have any requests or anything like that, just let me know. So, because when I post stuff up, I'm just guessing at what I think people want. So. But anyways, I just wanted to show you that, and we have another truckload of these we got in, and it was kind of crazy. So they're very heavy to unload, and Sherry's like, we're gonna run out of space. I'm like, nah, babe, we got an acre property, we're doing fine. And then of course the guys at Recoil are like, thank you, because right now the warehouse is really full. So it's just a little disorganized, and we have to, when I take a batch, they have to find the empties and then also the cores that we're gonna throw away. So if you guys, if anybody wants any of these cool block boxes, let me know. So we'll package them up. Otherwise, we're throwing them away. So, but I just want to show you that. I love you guys. I'll talk to you later.